Hey everyone, let's make some delicious and healthy flourless chocolate banana bread. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line in a bread pan with parchment paper. Now, in a food processor, combine 3 ripe bananas, 2 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of cocoa powder, a quarter cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a quarter cup of water. Blend it all up until it's nice and smooth. Next, gently fold in 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. Pour the batter into your pan and sprinkle a few more chocolate chips on top. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool completely before slicing. Enjoy this guilt-free treat.